Have you ever wanted to create your own hummingbird sanctuary? Imagine the joy and beauty these vibrant tiny creatures can bring to your garden. A sanctuary provides them with essential food, water, and shelter. Creating a hummingbird sanctuary is not only rewarding but also easier than you might think. To create a haven for hummingbirds, follow these simple steps. First, choose the right plants. Hummingbirds are drawn to bright, tubular flowers that produce nectar. Consider planting honeysuckles, bee balms, or salvia. These plants not only provide a rich food source, but they also add a splash of color to your garden. Next, provide water. Hummingbirds, like all birds, need fresh water for drinking and bathing. A shallow dish or bird bath with a slow drip will do the trick. Remember to change the water frequently to keep it clean and fresh. Third, provide shelter. Dense shrubs or trees offer a safe place for hummingbirds to rest and build nests. The sanctuary should be a safe haven from predators and the elements, so think about cover when planning your sanctuary. Lastly, avoid pesticides. These can harm hummingbirds and kill off the insects they feed on. Remember, a healthy garden is a balanced ecosystem where insects and birds coexist. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a hummingbird sanctuary in your own backyard. By carefully selecting your plants, providing clean water, shelter, and keeping your garden pesticide-free, you're creating a safe and welcoming environment for these tiny, vibrant visitors. Creating a hummingbird sanctuary is a rewarding endeavor, and the time to start is now. Imagine the joy of seeing these vibrant creatures flitting about in your own garden. Not only will you be providing a haven for these delightful birds, but you'll also be adding a splash of color and movement to your garden. It's a win-win for you, your garden, and the hummingbirds. So why wait? Dive into this fulfilling project today. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and guides.